In the world of cryptocurrencies, you are your bank. This means you have full control over your digital assets, but with great power comes great responsibility. You are responsible for the security of your funds. Unlike traditional banks, there is no customer service to call if something goes wrong. The seed phrase is your master key. It is a series of words that can generate your private keys, which are essential for accessing your cryptocurrency. These private keys are what control access to your cryptocurrency. Without them, you cannot access your funds. Therefore, it is crucial to keep your seed phrase safe. Think of it as the combination to a vault that holds your most valuable assets. Keep your seed phrase safe. Store it in a secure location, away from prying eyes and potential threats. Never share it with anyone. Sharing your seed phrase is like giving someone the keys to your vault. Write it down offline and store it in a secure location. Avoid digital storage methods that can be hacked or compromised. Losing your seed phrase means losing your funds. There is no way to recover your assets without it. Think of your seed phrase like the combination to a vault. Anyone who knows this combination can open your vault and take your valuables. The same goes for your seed phrase. If someone else gets hold of it, they can access your cryptocurrency. Treat it with the utmost care and attention. Your financial security depends on it. Always be vigilant and proactive in securing your seed phrase and private keys. Remember, security is paramount in the digital asset space. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your software up to date. Take all necessary precautions to protect your investments. Your crypto, your responsibility. Begin by logging into your OKX account. This is the first step to accessing all the features and functionalities that OKX has to offer. Go to the OKX website. Enter your login credentials carefully to avoid any errors. These usually include your email address and password. Make sure your password is strong and unique. You might need to complete a two-factor authentication step. This is an important security measure. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Once logged in, navigate to the withdrawal section. This is where you can manage your funds. This is usually found under Assets or Wallet. Here you can see all your cryptocurrencies and their current values. Double-check the URL to ensure you are on the genuine OKX website. Look for the secure connection symbol. Phishing attacks are common in the crypto world. Always be cautious of suspicious emails and links. Malicious actors create fake websites that look identical to legitimate ones. These sites are designed to trick you. Their goal is to steal your login credentials and gain unauthorized access to your account. Always verify the website address before entering any sensitive information. This simple step can protect you from many online threats. Now you need your Binance wallet address. Log into your Binance account. Go to your USDT wallet. Click on Deposit. Choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Select the correct network. USDT can operate on different blockchains like Ethereum and Tron. Ensure the network chosen on OKX matches the one on Binance. A mismatch in networks can lead to the loss of funds. This is because each network has its own unique address format. Sending USDT to an incorrect address will result in an irreversible loss of your funds. Therefore, pay meticulous attention to detail when selecting the network. Section 4. Transferring your USDT. On the OKX withdrawal page, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Paste the Binance wallet address you copied earlier. Double-check the address. Ensure it matches the one copied from Binance. A small mistake here can result in sending your USDT to the wrong address. Click on Withdraw. You might need to confirm the transaction via email or two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, the withdrawal process will begin. The transfer time varies depending on network congestion. It usually takes a few minutes to a few hours for the USDT to appear in your Binance account. Section 5. Securing your digital future. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to ensure the safety and security of your digital assets. Congratulations! You have successfully transferred USDT from OKX to Binance. This is a significant step in managing your crypto portfolio effectively. Remember, the security of your crypto assets is an ongoing responsibility. Always ensure your digital wallet is secure and up to date. Keep your seed phrase safe. This phrase is the key to your wallet and must be stored in a secure location, away from prying eyes. Use strong and unique passwords for all your crypto accounts. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This adds an additional step to your login process, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your accounts. Stay informed about potential scams and phishing attacks. Always verify the authenticity of any communication you receive regarding your crypto assets. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Keep an eye on market trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Stay updated on the latest security practices. Regularly review and update your security measures to protect your assets. Continue learning about different aspects of blockchain technology. The more you know, the better you can protect and grow your investments. Subscribe to reputable crypto news sources and educational platforms. Staying informed will help you make better decisions. By taking proactive measures, you can confidently navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Your digital future is in your hands, so make it a secure one.